So you're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for the 4th of July, and you're wondering what are some of the best ways to celebrate the holiday? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be going over some of the top festivities here at the beach, along with some tips and tricks. This way you can best enjoy the holiday. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I give tips and advice about the area, and of course I talk about the real estate. So if you are thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area, so if you ever have any questions or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. As always, you can use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I want to start off this video by saying if this is your first time visiting Myrtle Beach or living in the Myrtle Beach area during this time of the year, then you might want to know that this is one of our busiest weeks that we experience throughout the year. So if you keep that in mind and plan accordingly, that should help you avoid some frustration during the holiday. Roads, restaurants, attractions, and even the beaches are going to be much more crowded during this time of the year, and I know I say that all the time in my videos when I'm talking about the summer months, but 4th of July is the peak of it all. And again, especially the beaches, because who doesn't like being out in the sun on 4th of July? The 4th of July is one of the few days throughout the year where the state parks will reach their maximum capacity, and they usually do so pretty early, around like 9 or 10 a.m. And most parking spots at public beach access points will also get filled up pretty early as well. So if you're planning to spend the day at the beach, make sure you get there early. Even if you are able to and you are planning on taking an Uber to the beach itself will get very crowded throughout the day. So if you want a good spot, you know what they say. The early bird gets the worm. The same will be true in the evening for fireworks celebrations. So if you're planning on going out and watching fireworks, wherever that may be, make sure you're getting there a little bit early. Otherwise, be prepared to struggle and fight the crowds to find parking. This year, you can watch planned fireworks shows at the Cherry Grove Pier, at Broadway, at the beach, at the 2nd Avenue Pier in downtown Myrtle Beach, also at the Murrells Inlet Marshwalk, and at Barefoot Landing. Each of the shows will start between 9 and 10 p.m., but be sure to check the details for the exact event that you're planning to attend. You will likely also be able to watch people setting off their own fireworks all along the beach all night long. In the past, I've sat on the beach and watched fireworks for hours as people have battled it out trying to put on the best show. Please be aware that each city and township has their own laws regarding fireworks on the beach, so be sure to look into those before setting off your own fireworks. If you are looking for other activities to do during the day or over the holiday weekend, then be sure to check out the following. The 5th annual Red, White, and Blue 5K at Barefoot Landing, which has already passed this year as it happened on July 1st, but maybe you can check out the 6th annual 5K next year. The 14th annual 4th of July Independence Day 5K that will take place on the 4th of July at the Market Common. The 56th annual 4th of July parade in Pawleys Island will start at 10 a.m. The 39th annual Murrells Inlet Boat Parade will take place at 6 p.m. on July 4th. The Surfside Beach Golf Cart Parade that will start at 11 a.m. Surfside will also be holding a 4th of July celebration from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. And if you are on the beach, be sure to look out for the salute from the shore as F-16 and C-17 jets fly down the coast of South Carolina. The flyover will start at 1 p.m. up in Cherry Grove and will continue south from there. Whatever your plans for the holiday weekend, please be sure to celebrate safely, and if you are visiting, when it's time to go home at the end of the week, again, please be sure to plan accordingly. Whether you're flying or driving, there will be crowds, so be sure to leave enough time in your schedule to get where you're going. I know in past videos I've always talked about the airport being quick and easy to navigate, but this is going to be one of those weeks where there's bigger crowds and you're going to want to give yourself a little bit of extra time to get through security. You're better off safe than sorry. If you liked this video, then please be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below. And if your 4th of July vacation was awesome and you think you might want to move down to Myrtle Beach yourself, then please feel free to reach out. I would love to chat with you. you can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.